3 with Terrence taps, and in this one we're going to move things a step up from where we were in 2-minute tap along number 2. We're still going to start with the step, heel, toe with an 8-note rhythm, 1 and 2, but instead of only doing a heel drop on the other foot, we're going to pick it up and do a step, heel. Then, instead of just doing a straight paddle, dig, brush, step, heel, we're going to put a little syncopation in it and go dig, brush, step, heel. So we'll have the step, heel, toe, the step, heel, the dig, brush, step, heel, and when it comes time for the break, after we've done 3 and a break, what we will do is we will still do single paddles, but we'll syncopate them. All right? Dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. Yep, if you can understand that, you can do